friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some beautiful projects to share with you today. Let me share them with you, but first I want to introduce a new stencil, which all of our stencils, just a heads up, all of our stencils are limited edition. Once they're gone for good, so we're not going to be reordering any of them, so just a heads up on that. This is the Majestic Stencil, and I know it's kind of hard to see, so actually I'm going to just open it up. It is gorgeous. You're going to want to use your blending brushes with this, but look at that. I'll hold it up like that. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that pretty? And here's my sample with it. Isn't that pretty? I love it. It's literally majestic. I just love it. It's so pretty. So definitely check out that. The other item I want to share with you today is a popcorn box. But as you can see on all my wonderful samples over here, it's not just a popcorn box. There are a lot of interesting dies in here, and I want to share them with you first because you're going to see a whole bunch of different fun hearts, and you're going to see a whole bunch of different butterflies. You're going to have layering dies that go on the popcorn box. Then you're going to also have these fun insert dies. Now these insert dies are optional. You don't have to use them if you don't want to. But the fun thing about them is they don't cut all the way. What do I mean? Here's an example. When you use that little butterfly, see how the wings pop up, but it stays in there. Isn't that fun? The wings literally will pop up, but they stay there, so it's just little cutouts on the wings. It's so fun. And look at how cute that is. There's a layering die as well that goes in it as well, and it's just oh so cute. I just love it. Now, and it has a scalloped top, which is even more fun, right? Here's another example with our lemonade. Oh, let's move this. With our lemonade glass, there's the layering dies as well. Oh, and here's an example with the butterflies again, so you can pop those up just to make them even more 3D, which is really fun. Here's another one with real popcorn in it. Look how fun that is. And that has some yummy popcorn in it. And you can even say bursting with excitement, pop, because we do have a popcorn stamp and die set. In fact, I saw, look, we used it right here on the front for a very popular teacher. So cute. You could add something, little gifts in there. This is the perfect size. And look, okay, because I want you to see, that's how big it is. I mean, it's a good size box, so it's perfect, and it does stand. You don't have to worry about that. Here's another one. Oh, here's with the hearts. Again, the hearts literally pop up, but they stay in the box, which is really fun on the layering pieces. There's layering. Oh, and then the hearts. You can layer the hearts on top, different cutouts. Oh, here's a fun one. Look how gorgeous this one is. Look at how fun that is. Can you imagine giving this to someone? These are just little metal skewers. You could even use toothpicks, but look at how fun. Put a little gift card in there and you have your gift. You're ready to go. So cute. Let's see. Here's another one. You can tell I love this one, huh? So fun. That butterfly is just so cute. Oh, here's one with our mini wobblers. We finally have those back in stock, so go check those out. That's so cute. Oh, here's another one with our little hearts. Oh, here's a fun one with our, you can tell my design team went crazy, huh? Here's one with French fries, making it a shadow box, kind of like a box card with all of those different things, and you can just, oh, so cute. Now, here's another one, just little minor things. Oh, enjoy, isn't that cute? And you can just add little things on there. Now, I know I said it was a box, but with all of those dies that come with it, you're getting other items. So remember, you're getting butterflies. Here's those butterflies by themselves, nowhere near the box, with our cute little froggy stamp. So now I want you to also think about the dies separately and use them that way as well. Here's another one with the butterflies just flying away, so cute. And I want you to notice, this layering die, actually let's open it up because I want you to see this part. This is really important to me because you know me, I always want you to use the die how I intended and then other ways as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this one up, maybe. I don't wanna tear it because he's gotta photograph it still. But let's pull this die out, there we go. So what we have here, this is the little butterfly die. This is the insert. This is only gonna cut the outer edges, right? So this designer laid this right on top, just like that, ran it through on that rectangle, and now these little butterflies are literally flying by to say hi. Isn't that awesome? I know. So you could just put these, and you could even cut it a couple times if you want a whole background of them. Oh, here's another one. Look how fun those hearts are, right? Look at those fun hearts, all different kinds of hearts. Get well soon. Now, remember when I said you could put it all on the background? Look at that. Look at all these. These are all flying away. Aren't they fun? I know, that die alone right there is worth buying the kit because it's just so much fun. They all literally just pop up. I love it. Now, club members, of course, you get the, stop. I was going to put one together for you. Sorry. So here's one that's already decorated on the front. When you die cut it, it's going to be just like this. You're going to run it through. You're going to die cut it. And you're going to notice that you have a little flap over here. On all of my boxes, I'm pretty sure every single one, I can't think of one that doesn't, you're going to add adhesive to the top. So I'm going to add adhesive right here to the top, just like that. Add adhesive to the top of the tab, okay? Our score lines are nice and deep, and we're going to bring this all the way around, just like this. We are going to add that. Add that. It just takes your crafting to another level, not just cards. We are not just cards. Now, for the bottom, this is really, well, first of all, it does fold flat for mailing. If you wanted to fold it flat for mailing, you easily could. And then you could, they would open it up. But to close the bottom, you're going to put the two little ones in, put one in, and put this in, and then you're just going to kind of push. This is the funny part. It just kind of does it on its own. Isn't that weird? Because look at that. Well, now it's not going to stay because I'm like, okay, hang on. So we'll push that one in, mess with it. Oh, wait, hang on. Because I messed with it a couple different times. This one's poking out, that's why. It's awesome when it doesn't work, huh? There we go. It's not funny. Okay, but isn't that cute? You literally, it just kind of pops in. And if it doesn't do it, then just try it again, pop them in, and then it'll do it. Okay, isn't that awesome? Club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on these products. Just alone for that butterfly and that heart die, it's really awesome, isn't it? And if you're not in the club, go join. I don't know why. What you waiting for? Christmas? Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.